Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate HubSpot to your AEvent account, how to enable it for your timeline, and the on-registration options available with this integration. Before we start, please make sure that you have your username and password and your two-factor authentication code handy because we will be prompted for those information while integrating HubSpot. So let's log into your AEvent account. Once logged in, you just have to go to integrations and then click on add integration from the upper right hand side. Look for HubSpot by typing it in on the search bar. And from here, you can already see the list of actions that you can create with HubSpot. But for the purposes of this video, we will be adding it first. So click on add integration. You may label it however you want, but let's make sure that it's easily identifiable in case you'll have to add another HubSpot account to your AFN account. So once you're satisfied with the name, just click on connect and click on create a new HubSpot account. From here, click on sign in. And as I mentioned earlier, you will be prompted for your email address and password. Once you have this information entered, just click on login. And then you'll be prompted for your verification code. Once you have this information entered, just click on login. So just select the account you want to use. Be using this one. Let me select another one. Okay, so we'll be selecting another account. Let's choose that one. All right, so we have successfully integrated HubSpot to our AEvent account. Next, we will be testing the connection between the two. So let's just look for HubSpot and click on test. And we have successfully established the connection between HubSpot and AEvent. So next, I'll show you how to enable HubSpot for your timeline. So let's go to timeline, open the timeline you want to enable HubSpot for. Go to the integration section, and again, let's look for HubSpot. As you can see, it's currently inactive. So to activate it or enable it, just click on this toggle switch, and the gear icon for the integration settings will become available. Just click on that. And from here, you can see the on registration options available for this integration. So upon registration, you can add contacts to list, or you can add them to a workflow. So for this video, we will be enabling both. So I already ticked the boxes. So for the list, click on the drop down arrow and select the list you want registrants added to. And for the workflow, click on the drop down arrow as well. Currently, we don't have any workflow set up for the account we selected, but you should be able to see the workflows available for your account when you select the drop down. And from this window or this integration settings page, you can also see the list of custom fields or personalization that you can enable for HubSpot. So once you select these values, AEvent will be pushing the data to HubSpot. So once you're satisfied with all your changes, just click on Update Settings at the bottom. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.